Bexar County is getting more than $1 million from the state to provide mental health services for kids who have already entered the court system or they're at risk. As News 4 San Antonio's Stephanie Esquivel shows us, it's an effort to lower crime rates.
This is a good faith effort by the state to try to do more for our youth to keep them out of the juvenile justice system and keep them with their families.
Brad Benoit with the Bexar County Center for Healthcare Services says the department has been awarded more than $1 million by the state to target kids who are at risk of becoming lifetime offenders.
The youth between ages 12 and 17 at risk of severe system consequence due to serious externalizing antisocial or delinquent behaviors. Some examples would be theft or criminal behavior, aggressive, violent, assaultive behavior.
This year, overall teen crime is down in Bexar County. Joe Mata, the chief juvenile probation officer, says some areas, though, have seen a spike.
We're seeing an uptick, but a lot of that is in the drug offenses, really in the marijuana cases.
Bexar County Center for Healthcare Services has chosen Clarity Child Guidance Center as the provider for the multisystemic therapy.
This is completely different than what we already do.
Jessica Knudsen is the president of Clarity Child Guidance Center and says multisystemic therapy doesn't just treat the child, but targets the entire community around them.
Work intensively in the community to develop skills, so even if there is a crisis, you and your family and your support team know how to handle it, so you don't need to come into the hospital.
The state's $1 million investment, according to Knudsen, could save the county money and resources in the long run.
Anything that we can do as a community that decreases the burden on law enforcement, because there's a burden if families are having to call law enforcement to respond to a crisis.
Stephanie Esquivel, News 4 San Antonio.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more from News 4 San Antonio, make sure you like and subscribe.